Pregnancy today is not just about medical care, it's about managing rising cost. Maternity expenses have increased significantly, but handling them comfortably is no longer as easy as it once was. So, from regular doctor visits and scans to delivery and post birth care, the financial side of pregnancy has become a major consideration for many families. So, beyond maternity, some couples need additional medical support to conceive. Treatments like IVF or procedures such as IUI can be emotionally and financially demanding. And even after delivery, newborn care, vaccinations, and medical monitoring bring their own set of expenses. So, managing all of this together can be overwhelming. And this is why insurance companies have introduced maternity plans. Earlier, maternity was usually excluded from health insurance plans, but with newer and more modern policies, these benefits are now available, and tough they come with specific waiting periods and defined term and conditions. And that's exactly why in today's video we will talk about how maternity insurance actually works, which plan offer modern treatment related to maternity, what's the waiting period involved, and what you should realistically plan for before starting your maternity journey. So you don't need to watch different videos for different maternity plans. In this one video, I have brought together some of the top maternity health insurance plans for you. And so just sit back and relax and watch the video till the end. So before we start, hi, I am Mariam and I represent PolicyHub. And at PolicyHub, we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you have any query related to insurance or want guidance on buying new health insurance policy or want to switch your policy, then you can book your free consultation with us and link is given in the description. And let me know you one thing, maternity insurance works only when it is planned in advance. These plans are available before conception. Once pregnancy has already begun, no insurance company offers maternity coverage for the current pregnancy. So the plan that provide maternity coverage include SDFC Ergo Optima Secure, Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare, Tata AIG Medicare Select Plan, Star Health Women Care, and ICICI Lombard Elevate Plan. And apart from these, there are also maternity focused plan like Care Health Insurance Joy Plan and Manipal Signal Sarva Uttam Plan. So in today's video, we will review only selected plans to keep the comparison clear and easy to follow. So if you want a deeper and plan specific understanding, including eligibility rules, riders, unique features, and special benefits, so I have already created separate detailed videos on these plans. So you can find those on our channel and explore them individually at your convenience. Let's now talk about eligibility and maternity coverage across different health insurance plans. When it comes to maternity insurance, it's important to first understand which plan actually offer maternity benefits and how those benefits are structured. So let's talk about the coverage first. In SDFC Ergo Optima Secure, the overall sum insured ranges from 5 lakh and up to 2 crore. So for maternity benefit, the coverage is provided with specific limits ranging from 50,000 to 2 lakh. This maternity benefit is optional benefit under parenthood rider in Optima Secure plan. And in Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare plan, the overall health sum insured ranges from 5 lakh and up to 5 crore. And maternity benefits are inbuilt with this plan, and the maternity delivery amount depends on the sum insured. For policies with a sum insured of 5 lakh to 10 lakh, maternity expenses are covered up to 50,000. For sum insured between 15 lakh and 20 lakh, the coverage increases to 75,000. And for sum insured above 20 lakh, maternity expenses are covered up to 1 lakh. And in Nivopa, Aspire offers a wide range of sum insured options starting from 5 lakh and going up to 1 crore. Maternity benefits are inbuilt under this plan, and with delivery limits increases gradually based on the sum insured select. In Tata AG Medicare Select, the sum insured ranges from 5 lakh to 3 crore. Maternity coverage is optional under this plan, and the delivery benefit is covered 10% of the sum insured with a maximum up to 1 lakh. And the Star Health Women Care Plan offers sum insured option from 5 lakh and up to 1 crore. Maternity coverage is inbuilt under this plan, and the delivery limits ranges from 25,000 to 1 lakh depending on the chosen sum insured. And lastly, the ICICI Lombard Elevate plan provides one of the widest range with sum insured option starting from 5 lakh and going up to unlimited coverage. And maternity benefits are optional here, with delivery coverage going up to 1 lakh including prenatal and postnatal expenses. When it comes to payment tenure, all these plans allow a maximum tenure of 3 years, while ICICI Lombard Elevate offers a longer tenure of up to 5 years. So across all these plans, 2 deliveries are covered except in Tata AG Medicare Select, where there is no specific limit on the number of deliveries. and subject to the policy terms. So whether maternity coverage is inbuilt or optional differ from plan to plan, and this directly affects both usability and overall cost. So understanding where and how maternity benefits are placed within a policy is essential before making any decision. So in short, in SDFC Ergo Optima Secure, maternity coverage is optional and is available under the parenthood benefit, which means you need to opt for an additional rider to activate maternity benefits. In Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare, maternity benefits are inbuilt, so no separate rider is required. For Tata AG Medicare Select, maternity coverage is also optional and you have need to select it as an add-on. In Nivopa Aspire plan, maternity benefits are available under the Miracle benefit, which is inbuilt, so there is no need to purchase a separate rider. The Star Health Women Care plan is a maternity focused plan and maternity coverage is part of the core policy itself with no additional rider required. ICICI Lombard Elevate maternity coverage is optional and you will need to opt for an additional rider to include it. These structural differences play a major role in how practical a maternity plan actually is during pregnancy. In the next section, we will move on the waiting periods, room rent limits, and newborn baby coverage because these factors often determine how useful maternity coverage really turns out to be when you need it most. Now that we have understood the basic structure of these maternity plans, let's move to the most sensitive and often overlooked part: newborn related benefits and pregnancy related medical coverage. Starting with newborn baby expenses, there is a clear difference across plans. So in SDFC Ergo Optima Secure, newborn baby expenses are not covered under maternity benefits. In Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare plan, Nivopa Aspire plan and Tata AG Medicare Select plan, newborn expenses are covered but only up to a specified limit, which varies based on the policy terms. The Star Health Women Care plan stand out here as it offers newborn baby expenses coverage from day 1 up to 25% of the sum insured. And similarly, ICICI Lombard Elevate also provides newborn coverage from day 1 and the limit can go up to twice the maternity sum insured, which makes it more flexible compared to most other plans. When it comes to newborn vaccination, then SDFC Ergo Optima Secure, Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare plan do not offer this benefit and Tata AG Medicare Select includes newborn vaccination coverage. In Star Health Women Care, vaccination expenses are covered with limits such as 2500 for lower sum insured slab and 3500 for higher slabs. ICICI Lombard Elevate also covers newborn vaccination expenses up to 10,000. Now let's talk about prenatal and postnatal expenses because this is where many people expect coverage but don't always get it. So for prenatal and postnatal expenses, SDFC Ergo Optima Secure offers coverage up to the maternity sum insured for a period of 180 days, which is one of the longer duration among these plans. Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare covers pre and postnatal expenses up to 90 days. In Star Health Women Care, prenatal and postnatal expenses are covered with defined limits such as 2500 or 5000 depending on the sum insured slab. ICICI Lombard Elevate provides postnatal expenses coverage for up to 30 days. Now coming to advanced treatment like IVF and assisted reproduction coverage varies significantly. So SDFC Ergo Optima Secure covers IVF expenses up to the sum insured and also includes embryo freezing expenses, which is rare among standard health insurance plans, and Nivopa Aspire also provides IVF coverage depending on the plan variant. Star Health Women Care also covers IVF treatments, and on the other hand, Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare, Medicare Select plan, Elevate plan do not cover IVF expenses under their maternity benefits. When it comes to surrogacy, very few plans provide meaningful coverage. My Healthcare plan includes surrogacy coverage. Nivopa Aspire goes a step further by covering surrogacy as well as delivery by a surrogate mother. Star Health Women Care also offers surrogacy and oocyte donor cover and subject to specific terms. Elevate plan provides surrogacy coverage up to 5 lakh, whereas SDFC Ergo Optima Secure and Tata AG Medicare Select do not offer surrogacy benefits. For in utero fetal surgery, coverage is extremely limited. So among all the plans discussed, only Star Health Women Care provides coverage for in utero fetal surgeries. So all other plans do not cover this treatment. And similarly, benefits like miscarriage due to accident, metabolic screening, and pediatrician consultation are mostly excluded across plan, with Star Health Women Care being the only plan that offer partial coverage for these benefits with defined limits. Now, let's talk about waiting periods because this is often the deciding factor for maternity planning. So, in SDFC Ergo Optima Secure, the waiting period is 2 years. Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare has a waiting period of 2 to 3 years depending on the policy structure. Nivopa Aspire offers multiple variants where the waiting periods can range from 48 months to as low as 9 months and based on the chosen variant. Medicare Select has a waiting period of 1 to 2 years. In Star Health Women Care, the waiting period varies 2 years for lower sum insured and 1 year for higher sum insured and 3 years for assisted reproductive treatments and surrogacy. And ICICI Lombard Elevate has a 24 months waiting period with an option to reduce it to 12 months. This comparison clearly shows that maternity coverage is not just about whether a plan offers maternity or not, but about what exactly is included. So when the benefit become active and how practical it is during pregnancy. Apart from maternity benefits, it's also important to understand that all the plans discussed in this video, including HDFC Ergo Optima Secure, Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan, Tata AG Medicare Select Plan, Nivopa Aspire, Star Health Women Care, ICICI Lombard Elevate Plan, offer strong base health insurance coverage. These plans cover road ambulance expenses and in many cases air ambulance expenses along with domiciliary treatment, IUS treatment, organ donor expenses, modern treatments and pre and post hospitalization expenses. The duration and limits for pre and post hospitalization vary from plan to plan, but these benefits are available across all of them. In addition to maternity, each of these plans also comes with extra features and optional riders which can enhance overall coverage beyond pregnancy related needs, and that's why it's important to look at these policies not just as maternity plans but as a long-term health insurance solution. So if you want a deeper understanding of any individual plan including its eligibility, waiting period, riders, exclusions and unique benefits, you can find separate detailed videos on my channel where each plan is explained step by step. And you can see the plan wise premium detail on the screen. And one important point to be noted is that in HDFC Ergo Optima Secure, the premium is not age based. It is fixed according to the sum insured. So unlike most other plans where premium changes with age. So from my perspective, there's no single maternity plan that is perfect for everyone. If you're planning pregnancy well in advance and want flexibility, plan with shorter waiting periods or inbuilt maternity benefits may feel more convenient. And if you're looking for higher overall health coverage with maternity as an add-on, plan with optional maternity riders can make sense. What matters most is early planning, understanding the waiting periods and knowing exactly what is included and what is not. So maternity insurance works best when it's chosen before pregnancy with clarity and realistic expectations. So the right plan is not the one with the highest maternity amount, but the one that fits your timeline, medical needs and long-term health planning by covering all the basic features as well. So I hope this video helped you to understand how maternity insurance plan works. And if it is, then do like and share this video with your loved ones and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.